How to enable T9 dialing in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back to your screen and open phone app. Now click on keypad. Now here you can see it will enable T9 dialing. Now enter your number, it will show your name and contacts. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.